Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about decimal, place value, and rounding. So hopefully both of these things are a total review, but we just want to go back over it with you guys. So first we're going to talk about place value. We want you to fill in this chart with the different place values. So we have the decimal, and then we have the ones and the tens. Those are going up. And then going down, we have, behind the decimal, we have tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and 10,000ths. So it's just like the other side. They're mirror images, except for there's no ones place behind the decimal. Okay, and it just adds the TH part behind it. So here we're going to talk about three different words that are similar, and we want to make sure you understand the meaning. So the first one is place value. So this is the location of the number. Where the place the number is sitting, okay? The place the number is sitting, the place value. So what we just did was place value. The digit is the number. Okay, that's a number sign, not just a hashtag. So the place value, where it sits, the digit is the number, and the value is how much it is worth. So like a 1 in the ones place is worth 1. A 2 in the ones place is worth 2. Its value is 2. But it is still in the ones place and its digit is 2. Okay, so let's practice here. We're going to talk about this 9. Okay, so it is in, what place value is it in? It's in the tens. The digit is a 9. And its value, how much it's worth in that spot, is 90. Because it's 9 tens. Okay, 9 in the tens place. Okay, so let's do another one. What digit is in the tenths place? Well, what digit is the number? So it's a 9 is in the tenths place. What is the value of the number? So your number actually has a 3 and a 5 behind it. We're going to add that in. So now it makes more sense with what is the value of the number in the hundredths place. So remember, it's tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So the hundredths is the 3. But what is that value? How much is it worth? It is worth 3 hundredths. Okay, it is worth 3 hundredths. What is the place value of the 8? It is the ones place. The place value is the place that it's sitting. The digit is just the number by itself, and its value is how much it's worth. So let's do a little bit of practice on remembering how to type and say these numbers. So 58 is just going to be 58. That one's pretty easy. 125 thousandths. Okay, so there's no and is your decimal place. So there's no decimal place. So that's going to be a 0 and 125,000. So the last number needs to land in the thousands place, 125 thousandths. This next one is 100 and. So I know that I can do the 100